Does my concrete need to be slab jacked? You see a huge crack in your concrete slab. Wow, you think, how can I fix this? I would be concerned as well. Stay tuned to hear how slab jacking could be your best option to fix your slab without replacing it. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales at AccuLevel. I've been around the foundation business since my family started AccuLevel in 1996. I began working full-time at AccuLevel in 2013. Cracks on a slab of concrete are not a laughing matter to a homeowner. This video will tell you when slab jacking should be done, if slab jacking will fix your concrete, and if you have any other options. One of the key pointers of when slab jacking is a good option for your slab is when you start to see cracks. Now, it's not just when you see the cracks, but you actually see a displacement of the crack. And what I mean is one side of the crack is higher than the other. And this may become apparent when you're pushing snow off of your driveway and your shovel catches, or you trip on that sidewalk or anything like that. That is when slab jacking becomes a very good option for that slab. There are certainly slabs that we cannot slab jack and that it's not the best solution for. So when that happens, what that usually is because of is that slab is so cracked up, it almost looks like a world map. So you have a bunch of little pieces, all separate, all moving in different amounts in different directions. The reason that this is not a good slab for slab jacking is simply because you can't get it to even out and really be better than when it started. And so in something like that, you're going to look at other options, and it's usually something past just repairing the cracks themselves. Past slab jacking on a slab and fixing it to where it's level and then patching that crack, there's another method called mud jacking. This uses a grind up limestone mixture to raise your slab. This is a lot of times a cheaper option, but is an option that we don't necessarily recommend because the amount of weight that's added to that slab that's already settled. The other option, apart from those two of repairing the existing, is completely tearing out and repouring. And in some cases, like I talked about a little bit earlier, when it's cracked up really bad and there's a bunch of small pieces, this may be your only option. It's just to come in, get it ripped all the way out and completely repour it and start with a new piece of concrete. If you have issues with your sidewalk, driveway, or other slabs, give us a call to schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors. You can also go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about slab jacking? If so, please leave them in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer those questions for you. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. We noticed that about 99% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. So if you could take a second to like and subscribe, we would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.